Hi guys, today I'm sharing how I turn Sensational's Dashley headband wig into this and into that. I want to share some of my headband wig hacks that I've been doing lately. I have been in the mood for straight hair, so I'm starting off with my hair already sectioned off with a little leave out in the front. And I'm going to start off by going ahead and spritzing it with some heat protectant, and I'm going to blow dry my hair. Next, I'm following with some anti-frizz serum. And I'm just going to take my hot comb and go ahead and press out my hair, and I have it on the temp of 20. Now that I have my hair straight, I'm just going to dust my ends. I received Sensationnel's Dashley headband wig from SamsBeauty, and this is the style HB Unit 1, and I have it in the color 1B. I absolutely love the texture on this hair. It is gorgeous. It's like a medium yaki texture. Now this unit is constructed with a comfortable and breathable cap. It also comes with 4 combs, so you get your comb at the top and your 2 combs on the side and the 1 in the back, along with the adjustable strap that I absolutely love, that I have not seen on any headband wigs. So it really helps with cap sizing. That way you can adjust it to fit your head at the right size, and you get a nice thick headband with the Velcro. Be sure to check the description box down below. I will have all SamsBeauty information linked, and also this unit. That way you can get your hands on it. So the first style I'm going for is more like a half wig style. So I'm making sure I tuck in that headband. I do not want that headband exposed, so I'm tucking in as much as I can. So this hair is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. And I'm going to actually go ahead and put some nice curls in his hair. Now when I'm curling synthetic hair, I like to start off with the lowest setting, because I find if you start up high, the hair will not curl, and that's just a showing that the temperature is too high. So I prefer to start at the lowest, and right here I'm starting at like 320, but I did end up going up to my next setting, which I think is like 340, and that was perfect for this hair. And y'all, this hair curled so nice. I did not have any problems whatsoever curling it, and the curls came out beautiful. It had nice body and bounce. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my leave out.
Yeah. I know it's late, and baby I can't focus. I just flew into town today and hoping that you notice. Let's get it. Yeah, baby, did you notice?
Now that I have all my curls placed, I'm just gonna simply comb over that headband. I want to hide that headband as much as possible, so I'm just going to conceal that with my hair. I did have to go back and pull the wig up just a little bit because I feel like it was a little too far back.
Just let me ride the boat. Fuck you back to see, girl. Word the middle. Don't say a word, no good, don't you talk. Just hold on tight to me, girl. Fuck you back to sleep. Ooh yeah, rock you back. You should know that you have my mind blown.
And this is the completed look, guys. I was surprised at how well my hair blended in with this hair, girl. I am liking it like this. So cute, and it has so much body and bounce. And it looks pretty natural as well. I so wanted to wear my hair this day like this, but it was raining out and I did not want to risk it puffing up on me. So the second look is a half up, half down, and I'm just pretty much pulling up the hair into a ponytail. Once I have it nice and smooth, I'm going to secure it with an elastic band.
Buddy gonna get you high. Yeah. Girl, I'm gonna give you that dope. You know it. Cause you serve me on regular.
And smooth my edges with some freeze spray. And this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with this style. So cute and girly. I hope I was able to inspire you guys to try some of these headband wig hacks. Comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And also like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.